Right, children? Then let's start maths class. In the previous classes in maths, we had done chapter 13. Yes. Now today we are going to start chapter 14, that is money. Money, chapter 14, exercise 14.1. Open it. All of you, exercise 14.1. Open that exercise. 14.1. All of you have opened? Now here, yes. Now here we are going to start a chapter called money today. And in the first question, it says which one is a better deal? Means to take out a deal or to find out anything. Here basically we use this sign. What is this sign called? A divide sign? Yes. Yes. If I say, if I say there are 20 mangoes, there are 20 mangoes, ठीक है? 20 mangoes, cost of 20 mangoes is 50. What will be the cost of one mango? Cost of 20 mango, yes, cost of 20 mangoes is 50. What is the cost of one mango? So we will divide this, and whatever we'll get the answer, it will be the cost of one mango. Are you getting it? For example, if I say cost of two balls is 4,000, what will be the cost of one ball? We have to divide 4,000 by 2. Yes. Whatever we will get, that will be our answer for one ball. Yes. So if we divide like this, 2 twos are 4, 0, 0, 0. That means 2,000 is the cost for one ball. Are you understanding how we find out the cost of one ball, one bat, one thing, anything which is one in number? By dividing. Anything, any number which is given more, and we have to find out one, then we divide. More is given, one is to be find, divide. Simple formula. Okay. So now let's come on to exercise 14.1. First question. What it says, which is a better deal? Now here two things are given. We have to find out the better deal. So how we are going to start? We are going to write like this. Deal 1. First we are dealing with first deal. Okay. So cost of two bats. Here also the same thing is given. Cost of two bats. How much is the cost of two bats given in the question? 4200. Yes, very good. Yes. The cost of two bats 4200. This we will write. Then how many, what is the cost of one bat? Cost of one bat. Yes, we have to divide. As I told you, when more is given and one is asked, more is given, one is asked, we divide. So we are going to divide 4200 by this number. Cost of two bats 4200, cost of one bat 4200 upon 2. This will come in the denominator. Remember this. In the statement cost of two bats 4200, when we find out one, the number which is on the left hand side, this comes in the denominator. Denominator means in the division form. So now we are going to divide 4200 by 2. What we will get? 2 twos are 4. We will copy 2. 2 ones are 2. These two zeros are left. We are going to copy them on top. These two left zeros. So to deal one, what we have got? In deal one, we have got that cost of one bat is 2100. Okay. Now we are going to come on deal two. Let's come on to the deal two. What is the deal two? Cost of five bats. Cost of five bats. How much is the cost of five bats given? Yes, very good. 9,500 is the cost of five bats given. Now we have to find out the cost of one bat. As I told you, first we write cost of five bats this much, and then when we find out the cost of one bat, this number comes in the denominator. The number which is on the left hand side, this comes in the denominator. In the denominator means we have to divide. Okay. So 9500, you can cut also, you can divide also. It's your wish. We can divide by 5. 5 ones are 5. How much is left? 4. Then we will copy another number, that is 5. How, 5 nines are 45. Then these two zeros are left. We will 1900. Yes, yes. So what we have uh, come on the conclusion? We have come on the conclusion that in deal 1, the cost of one bat was coming 2100, and in deal 2 the cost of one bat is coming 1900. So which is a better deal? Second deal is a better deal. Yes. 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 In the first deal, we were getting one bat for 2100. In the second deal, we were getting one bat for 1900. So here we are getting a profit of 200. So in answer we will write, therefore, deal 2 is a better deal. Okay. Is it clear to everybody? Let's do the second sum also. One more sum is there. It will be more clear to you. What is the second question saying? Read it. The second question is about rice. Yes? Yes. 20 kg rice, price is 1000. Which is a better deal? Let's again find out deal 1 first. So deal 1 is saying cost of how much rice? 20 kgs rice. Yes, 20 kg rice cost is 1000. Then we have to find out the cost of 1 kg rice. Yes, as I told you, 1000 we will write here, and this number which is on the left hand side will come in the denominator, that is 20. So we are going to divide 1000 by 20. So 20. Okay, 25 is 100. Very good. Nothing left. This 0, it will come here. So here, cost of 1 kg, 1 kg rice is 50 rupees. 1 kg rice is 50 rupees in deal 1. Okay, this is deal 1. Now, what is the deal 2? Deal 2 is saying cost of 1 kg rice 50 in the first deal, rupees 72 in the second deal. Okay, cost of 25 kg rice. Now, cost of 25 kg rice. How much is given? 7200. 118. This is the cost of 25 kg of rice in deal 2. Here we are dealing with deal 2. Okay. So deal 2 cost of 25 kg 1800. Now we have to find out cost of 1 kg. Yes. What we have to do? This will come in the denominator. Very good. We have to divide. All of you are understanding it? Yes or no? Okay. Very good. Now we have to divide this by 25. How many times it will go? We have to take three numbers. 25 sevens are 175. 25 sevens are. We will borrow. We will borrow 10 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 10, 0. 7 minus 1, 0. This number copied here, 0. 2s are 50. Nothing left here. So in deal 2, what is the cost of 1 kg rice coming? Deal 2, cost of 1 kg, not 25, 1 kg rice is coming 72. Here the cost was coming 50. Here the cost is coming 72. So which deal is a better deal? Deal 1. Deal 1 is a better deal. Yes. If we are going to buy 20 kg rice for 1000, then we will have profit here. Because cost of 1 kg is coming 50. If we are going to buy 25 kg rice for 1800, we will be having loss because here the cost of 1 kg is 72. So we are having profit here. We will be giving less money for 1 kg. So we are having profit here. This shows that deal 1 is a better deal. Is it clear to everybody? Both sums and all deals are clear. All right. So now I am going to give you the PDF of these two sums. You have to copy it in your Fair Maths register. Okay. If there is any doubt, please ask right now about this deal or division or anything which is not clear. Everything is clear? Okay, then I am going to give you the PDF. You have to do the work right now. All right.